Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Gina, and today I thought I would do a journal page. It's been a little while and I was just really kind of missing it and wanting to jump in and do one, and I thought I would challenge myself. So my challenge for myself today is to use materials that everyone should have available. So all of the items before you, I have a couple of utensils, which would be my scissors and just a glue stick, pen and pencil, but the rest are things that most people can have access to, like an envelope, inside of a return envelope, some dictionary pages, coffee dyed, tea dyed, masking tape, string or sewing thread, even some of the tea. I've got, I have a pen and a pencil and a bit of cheesecloth, a little piece of silk. I'm going to try to keep it very basic, very basic. So that's my challenge for today, and I hope that it turns out well, and I hope that you enjoy watching the process. I'm going to speed this part up because I am a slow creator, so I will see you at the end and discuss the end product with you a little bit, and I hope you enjoy. And here is the final product. I really had a good time doing that, and as you can see, I just really used paper, well, except for the T. And I added at the end, challenge yourself, fight the fear, do it anyway. And if I had thought ahead of time, I would have left a space for just try. You know, I didn't know where I was going with this. And as you saw me put it together, I started kind of making clusters. I have a video on making clusters, which I can add in the description box if you want to check that out. But I kind of started making little clusters and then laying the clusters down on the base that I had started. So I thought that worked out really well. It's fun, it's simple, it's just paper, layers of paper, some string. I did change the pen. I thought the blue just stood out a little bit too much, so I just grabbed it's just a paper mate, just like a pen you would have at your office or, you know, whatever. There's absolutely nothing special. No mediums were used. All I used was a glue stick, and I just sat and had a good time. I hope you had a good time watching, and I hope this was inspirational. Go look around your house or your apartment, wherever you live. Find some old notebook paper, tear it up, glue it down, take your pencil and do some shading, and just see what you can create. So that's what I did today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me that thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. That would be super cool. And I think that's going to be it for this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.